Hello folks. Well, having built and flown these flying discs for over 39 years, I've rediscovered them after seeing the Air Force's flying saucer experiments recently being talked about on the History Channel again, as I remember seeing back in the 1950s. And as you have seen in many of my recent videos, I made an electric UFO, a bigger Nitro UFO that really hauls ass, and on a suggestion from one of my viewers, I have decided to make a tiny UFO like the Cox 09 that I also made 39 years ago. I put links in the description box for the first versions and links to my mini round to it from 8 years ago. So here's a quick build of this mini using Elmer's foam board, which is the strongest, an orange light receiver, 2 high-tech Metal Gear servos, and Satellite City Specialty super glue, which is foam safe. I am powering the radio with a high-tech 750 milliamp nickel metal hydride. First I took this old Baby B engine apart, cleaned it all up, and ran it on the test bench. I'm not sure if it's got enough power to run this machine because my other mini was an 09 Cox. First you want to start out by drawing a circle on the foam board. I found a suitable pan in the oven and drew the circle. Then I carefully cut it out with a knife and then drew parallel lines on it so I could measure where the elevator was going to go and where the center was. I used part of the corner board to make it square. Well, next I made marks where I was going to cut out for the elevons and the rudder to go, and also made a mark where I could put the motor mount on the front. Well, next I decided to go ahead and color it, so I used some wrapping paper and put some 3M spray adhesive on there and covered the top of it. Well, since this thing has got fuel going on it, I decided to go ahead and cover it with heavy-duty Scotch clear shipping tape and make it a little stronger too, so the fuel won't get to it. Next I took my black electrical tape and covered the entire outside so no fuel could get in it. Put my motor mount on the front, put the hinge control horns on the back of the elevons, and cut a slot where I can glue the rudder. Next I fashioned the rudder and glued it on. Next I made push rods and connect them up to the elevons. So that's it, all set. Let's go out and see if it'll actually fly. Here we go. Well, my original Cox Mini UFO had a Cox TD 09. It didn't have any throttle. It was wide open and you had to just wait till it ran out of gas and landed. Well, the Cox 049 also is going to be wide open. Well, I had to modify 3 engines to get one that worked. It's 2 degrees outside, wind is 14 miles per hour on January 19, 2019. Getting this thing started in this cold took 8 times longer than the flight. I can't wait to fly it this summer, if it flies at all, on this smaller engine. So here we go. Time to break out my homemade mini starter.
Oh yeah, that's right, just spill. All of it just spilled out.
My I'm priming the engine by squirting fuel on the cylinder ports. For those old Cox flyers, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and you know that it is necessary. I could cut all this out, but you know, I want you to feel the cold and the pain. But I'm dedicated. Oop, out of fuel. Oh, man. Oh, my hand is frozen. God. Yeah, well, broke the prop. I knew that was going to happen. Well, like I said before, and I just can't wait till summer. And for you, Mother Nature, UFO. And for those of you who haven't seen my bigger UFO that's nitro powered or my electric version, please check out the links in the description box. And thanks a lot for watching.